Chaw man. Chaw man. Yo, back again with another YouTube short. I'm gonna try to make this 60 seconds real quick. So it's Toyota Mark X with the IS. No, Toyota Mark X with the 250G engine. The water pump is bad. So I'm about to bust this down real quick. No joke, no cap. So what you gotta do, you gotta take out the radiator. Radiator right there. You gotta take that out. You gotta take off the wheelie. You gotta take off that cover off of here. So you have some bolts all around here. Right there, take off these hoses to get this off. So this is coming off just now. And then I gotta take off all these bolts. I gotta pull off this too, the computer. So yeah, wait, is it the computer? Driver inject. Okay, man, you know what that be, but we're gonna bust it all the way down, folks. Yeah, guys, we got a new water pump here. Got the gasket. We got this. I normally use gray silicone, but they only had this black one, so you know what I mean. So I'm gonna just use this for now. So let's get into it. Alright, after 3 minutes of wiggling and bad words, it's finally off. Yeah. I gotta take this off now. You know, never mind, this not gonna be a YouTube shot. This here could just be a regular short little how to do vlog or video. Yo guys, never throw water in your car's cooling system. See this? It is build up. Sometimes salt does be in the water and it rusts inside. I'm curious to see how inside of this water pump looks, but yeah, use 50-50 coolant, use expensive coolant and just done okay. Make your car last way longer, you check? So yeah, we're gonna bust this all down and then get back into this, bro. Alright, so now you're gonna get your gun. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Soon get a GoPro. Alright. Bumbo clap. Yeah, shout out to Milwaukee. Milwaukee send me tools, bro. Let me do some reviews. Hot tile, Rursker, you know. Yo, no boy. Yeah, man, that is it. Oh shit. It's always the 10s, bro. It's always the 10 bolts or 10 sockets or 10 nuts that be dropping. Alright. So we can get off this clip. Plug this out for now. Bumbo clap. It's always these clips, bro. Get it by the side. By the other side now. Whew. Yeah, clip this off. Alright. That's out the way. And this is the water pump. So it runs from right here. Zoop, 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 zoop. Yeah, that's it right there. Good news and bad news. let me just release this last bolt. So, we have good news and we have bad news. But first, guys, like and subscribe, man. I see a whole lot of people unsubscribe watching the videos. Yeah, man, guys, you know, just log in, subscribe to the thing, man. You know what I mean? Trying to get to 500 subs by the end of the year. If I get more than that, man, that's a blessing. You know? A blessing. Yeah, help a brother out. You know what I'm saying? So, the good news is I'm getting through with taking out the water pump. The bad news is I snapped. Where is it? Yeah, the pulley bolt snapped. It was really seized up in there, and the impact gun wasn't, you know. Impact gun put a whole lot of pressure on it till it snapped. So I'm gonna try to get that pulley out. The pulley, well, whatever that thing is, this thing right here is, and replace the bolt. Just hoping it's not a headache to do. But yeah, you see, I got one more bolt for this water pump. Let me just get it out. Last bolt. And here we have it. So yeah, this is the water pump, guys. Took it out. So now let's go and inspect this old one. So what happened here is the bearing behind of it. If you can see it, let me see if I can let you see it. The bearing behind of it is gone, so this whole thing is just wobbling all over the place. So out with the old and in with the new. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. Just borrow this from my boy Jason. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to drill in it as far as I can. I don't know. I might get to drill it out, or I might get to drill it, and then the plan is to use one of this blue screw, hammer it in, and then reverse it out of in there, hopefully. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'll check you guys back in a bit. Drill time. It's coming out more and more. Whew. Jano. Hot aisle. Hot aisle. What is on my nose? I'm out. You will get bang up right now, you check? Yo, I'm telling you something right, dog. You hear my dude? Look at me work, right? Oh, I'm see a boy. Yo. How are you, yo? Alright guys, so I forgot to film this part. Was so much in a rush, but got on the new water pump. So it's just a couple 12s and 10s, and yeah, And then there's a gasket to go with this. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you just bolt back up out. You just bolt back up everything, and then yeah, you're on your way. So yeah guys, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's on the nose. I'm out.